Welcome to this interactive session on disinfection and practical solution to people's problems. We are very happy to have some guests with us. We'll straight go to them to learn their experience. Can you share your experiences?
Earlier, when I used to bring the groceries directly, I used to use for home. Post-COVID, what things have been changed a lot. How it has changed a lot is we have to sterilize all the products. That is, whatever it is groceries or the food items. The steps what I follow is first sterilizing is I used to take a tub, put all with the detergent. I used to wash all the grocery items and dry for long time. And it is very waste of time, and we spend a lot of time in that, and it is boring work also. So that we need some of the steps where we can sterilize the things as fast as possible.
Even we are also facing the same kind of problems with the disinfection. Whenever I'll go for the groceries or the store items, I have to keep the items in a sunlight for all day. If I want the item today, I have to bring it day before yesterday or 2 days back. So it is a time consuming thing and a really headache part.
Okay, it's something that needs to be considered, right? We heard you ladies speak. Let's also hear another man speak. Mr. Suresh, what do you have to say?
Sir, I am not that much careful like these people. I just bring that my pet food items and groceries. I just wash my hand and use it.
Very interesting, Mr. Suresh. It's good to know that there are people like you who just wash their hands or even sanitize and start using the item. Anybody else have anything to say? So, covers more or less the issues or the concerns that we have on disinfection. All right, thank you very much for being here and sharing your experience with us. We just heard people's experience on disinfection. For a quick summary, one is obviously education. As a solution, people need a product that is easy to use, that is safe, and very certain that it kills the germs. To understand that, we'll have a quick demonstration now. Trust we had a good understanding of the product from its demonstration. After its demonstration, we want to ask some questions. So we'll straightforward go into some of the questions that we could probably ask. We still have our guest with us. Anybody has a question to ask?
I have one question.
Okay, please go ahead.
It's good to see and know what all the items can be sterilized. Can we sterilize the food items, sir?
The answer to that is yes, packed foods can be sterilized. The reason I'm saying packed food is because research has identified certain foods that can be sterilized directly and certain foods which cannot be sterilized directly. Good thing for us to do is to pack the food and sterilize them. Okay, does that answer that question? Well, can we move on to the next question? All right, son, please go ahead.
If all the items can be sterilized, can I sterilize my hand?
That's a very good question. That tells me that you're very careful on this particular subject and you have been watching and understanding it from whatever that you can. The point is, it's better for children to be away from this particular product. So it is safer. If you want anything to be done, go and ask your parents and they will tell you what to do. All right? Okay, very good. Okay, another question, Mr. Suresh.
Is it any certified by that any government authorities?
Certified by government authority.
Yeah.
That question is basically asking me an assurance if what all the claims that we have made here is true, so that people can trust it. The answer to that is it is certified by government approved NABL labs. They have tested it and given us a certificate so that it is safe for us to use.
What are the precautionary measures?
Okay, coming to the precautionary measures, there are already some things that we have already said. One, about the children. They should be away from it and parents should take care of them. Okay. Secondly, when it comes to food items, itself, we already talked about it, how it has to be packed. Okay, coming to another one on the health aspects of it. Okay, it's better even for adults not to look straight into the lights. Okay, and secondly, let's ensure our skins do not get exposed to these lights. Okay, it's not good. Alright, does that answer your question? So once again, would like to thank you all for being here, and for those watching the video, you certainly would like to know on the contact details, so that you have more information on the product. Once again, for contact details, please go through the following thing that's going to follow.